Ethereum value equivalent to 37,803 rands a coin. The present cost range, 37,528 38,060. The earlier day close, 37,748. The change was plus 55, plus 0.15%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 37,764 rands, high 40,407, low 35,121. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost 38,630 rands, high 41,334, low 35,926. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 40,596 rands, high 43,438, low 37,754. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost 40,926 rands, high 43,791, low 38,061. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 41,187 rands, high 44,070, low 38,304. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost 42,204 rands, high 45,158, low 39,250. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 42,908 rands, high 45,912, low 39,904. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 42,882 rands, high 45,884, low 39,880. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 42,918 rands, high 45,922, low 39,914. Ethereum gauge on Friday, April 28, cost 42,187 rands, high 45,140, low 39,234. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 42,950 rands, high 45,957, low 39,944. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost 44,079 rands, high 47,165, low 40,993. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 43,990 rands, high 47,069, low 40,911. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost 42,921 rands, high 45,925, low 39,917. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 43,279 rands, high 46,309, low 40,249. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 8, cost 44,110 rands, high 47,198, low 41,022. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 43,821 rands, high 46,888, low 40,754. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 43,510 rands, high 46,556, low 40,464. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 45,106 rands, high 48,263, low 41,949. Ethereum estimate on Friday, May 12, cost 43,665 rands, high 46,722, low 40,608. In about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 44,635 rands, high 47,759, low 41,511. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost 44,395 rands, high 47,503, low 41,287. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost, cost at 32,390 rands. Exorbitant cost 45,922, while low cost 31,541. Found the middle value of cost 38,010. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 42,187. Change for April 30th 0.2%. Ethereum estimate for May 2023. To start with cost at 42,187 rands. Exorbitant cost 50,325, while low cost 39,917. The found the middle value of cost 44,866. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 47,033, change for May 11.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 47,033 rands. Exorbitant cost 55,513, while low cost 47,033. The found the middle value of cost 50,365. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 51,881, change for June 10.3%. Ethereum estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 51,881 rands. Exorbitant cost 59,145, while low cost 51,407. The found the middle value of cost 54,427. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 55,276, change for July 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 55,276 rands. Exorbitant cost 68,608, while low cost 55,276. The found the middle value of cost 60,820. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 64,120, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 64,120 rands. Exorbitant cost 64,120, while low cost 54,534. The found the middle value of cost 60,353. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 58,639, change for September 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 58,639 rands. Excessive cost 58,639, while low cost 45,809. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 53,086. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 49,257, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum figure for November 2023. Before all else cost at 49,257 rands. Excessive cost 61,138, while low cost 49,257. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 54,198. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 57,138, change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 57,138 rands. Excessive cost 57,138, while low cost 48,217. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 53,585. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 51,846, change for December 9.3%. Ethereum figure for January 2024. Before all else cost at 51,846 rands. Excessive cost 52,905, while low cost 45,983. The arrived at